Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In the last video we have seen the different function using print, how we use it. So let us continue from that. Now let us take an example. Like we did in the first lecture, we did a simple example for 2 power 3. It's giving us 5. 3 plus 7. Okay, now can we assign a value to a variable? So let us check x equals 3 and x, yeah, it is giving 3. So now what if I want x plus 5? It is giving it. So we can declare variable and give the values to it. And let us check one more case where we are giving the value of x to be 9. And now we are putting x. We can also change the value. That's why it is called variable, which is we can change the value throughout our function or throughout our program. So that is one of the use of the variable. Now let us declare more than one variable. Suppose we are declaring y equals some number equals 6. So it is selected as 6. Now let us check x plus y. Are we getting it? Yeah, we are getting it 15. So now suppose if we want to add this 15 again to y. So what I will do is I can give 15 plus y or and also give underscore plus y. So see, I'm getting 21 because 15 from here and 6 from the value of y. So this is for numbers. Now let us assume that can we get do the same for string also. So suppose I'm assigning a value here. Suppose name is channel and let us press enter. Yeah, here we are getting the value which we have given this as channel. So let us check something. Like I want to print the length of the channel of the string. So I will give a name and it is giving me 7. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is giving me 7 value, 7 characters. So the length of the string is also 7. Now let us do one more thing, that we want to print 0 to that character, and it is giving a syntax error that we are not okay. I think we have to give this one. So yeah, you can see the first 3 characters from 0 to 3 CHA. Now what if I wanted to be from 2 to 6? So let us check. So we are getting a and E. Now for one more case, we will be taking from 2 to 12. Now here they are not having 12 characters, but it will print till the 7th character and then totally it will print blank and it won't show error. So let us see whether it's showing or not. Yeah, it is showing handle, but let us see one more case here. Suppose we are giving name and we want to print the 12th, but it is saying that it is out of range, there is no range. So this is one of the disadvantages, that you can print the garbage value when you are specifying a particular range, but you cannot print it in a separate way. So I guess this is all for this lecture, and yeah, keep enjoying and thank you.